Hi! Kami nga pala ang The Jonases, family of four na mahilig sa travels with kids, everyday gala, budgeting hacks, at syempre, mga new restos to try. So if you're looking for family-friendly tips, follow nyo na kami. Sa video na to, share namin ang family-friendly hotels and resorts na try na namin mismo. For full details and kwento, visit our YouTube and website. First on our list na binabalik-balikan talaga namin ay ang Hotel Kimberly sa Tagaytay. This is one of the best kid-friendly hotels sa Tagaytay at kahit sa buong Cavite for us kasi bukod sa may heated pool sila, meron din silang pool for kids. Sobrang nag-enjoy ang mga bata dito. Sa gabi naman, nag-swimming din kami at yung hindi heated pool nila ay surprisingly warm for Tagaytay weather. Meron ding outdoor play area at indoor play area. What we love the most ay may pa-free bonfire sila, no need to pay anything. May mini zoo and farm, tapos breakfast buffet pa. Ang saya dito, promise. I forgot to mention na meron din silang movie night with free popcorn. And sa gabi, dadalhan pa ang mga kids ng milk and cookies for free. Kung gusto nyo naman ng beach plus nature combo na super relaxing for the whole family, Pico Sands Hotel sa Nasugbu, Batangas is a must visit. Isa din to sa binabalik-balikan namin. Ang ganda na location, surrounded by mountains and a private beach, kaya perfect to for unplugging, spending quality time together. 2 hours from Metro Manila lang din to, pero kung chill-chill ride lang kagaya sa amin, mga 3 hours. Sa rooms, super linis, super spacious and comfy, may modern feel pero warm and homey pa rin. Buffet breakfast na rin to pero pro tip, magising kayo ng maaga para makakuha ng magandang pwesto. Minsan kasi nag-extend sila sa kabilang restaurant sa super rami na. May access din to sa Pico de Loro Beach and Country Club. So kahit 2 nights lang kami, sobrang dami naming nagawa. Naalala ko nga sa unang visit namin, hindi kami nakapag-pool sa raming nagawa. Sa beach naman, may lifeguards kaya very safe for kids. May kayak, paddleboard at iba pang mga water activities, of course with a fee. Tapos, after swimming, diretso naman sa pool area. Super na in love talaga kami sa pool nila. Hindi siya masyadong malamig, hindi rin super warm. And yes, para sa mga kids, meron silang playground. Although not free, but okay na din for 250 pesos. And they also have bowling, billiards, and many more. Pati kami ni Daddy actually nag-enjoy din kasi very chill ang vibe sa buong property. For food naman, maraming options around, pero pro tip, pwede rin kayo magdala ng snacks or order ahead para mas tipid. Minsan lumalabas kami para kumain, para mas tipid. Natry din namin kumain sa Pico Restos, pricey pero okay din naman ang lasa. Perfect ito for long weekends or special celebrations. Malapit lang sa Manila pero feels like you traveled far. Definitely a relaxing and fun-filled escape for the whole family. So another pro tip then, don't forget to bring beach toys and family-size sunscreen para ready na agad ang buong family sa arawan. Kung naghahanap naman kayo ng sulit na getaway na hindi kailangan lumabas ng Metro Manila, let me share with you our experience at the Excel Shore Hotel sa Las Piñas. We booked their exploration package and super worth it siya for us. Kasi for as low as 2,000 per adult all-in na, and minsan nagpapapromo pa sila so you can get as low as 1,500 per adult. So included na dito yung room, and yung room nila, ang lawak, ang linis, and super comfy. Sobrang sulit siya for families, kaya kayang-kaya talagang tumambling ng mga toddlers. Pero wait, sobrang dami ring activities na kasama sa package. Meron silang activity area for kids and of course, kids at heart. Meron din silang arcade, melody studio, and selfie gallery. Perfect for content and bonding. Meron din silang movie night with free popcorn, courtyard rides and attractions, and access to the swimming pool, kids play area, and even the gyms for moms and dads. And yes, kasama na rin yung breakfast buffet, snacks, and dinner. So literally, wala ka na talagang iisipin. Kakain ka na lang and enjoy every moment with your kids. And yung pinaka-favorite part namin, we actually stayed for 3 days and 2 nights and isang beses lang kami lumabas ng hotel. So ganun kadami ang pwedeng gawin. Sobrang peaceful and super family-friendly. So babalikan? Yes, babalik-balikan. Last but not the least, Taal Vista Tagaytay. Taal Vista is one of those hotels na binabalik-balikan talaga kasi aside from its cozy and elegant charm, overlooking ito sa Taal Volcano, super kid-friendly siya, from the open spaces to the quiet, safe environment. So let's start with the rooms. Malinis, spacious, and comfortable din for families. May options pa for connecting rooms if you're staying with your lolo and lola. At kung swerte kayo, may Taal volcano view from your room or the garden. Sobrang Instagrammable pero more importantly, peaceful and relaxing for the whole fam. Now, for the kids, ang laki ng open garden area nila where kids can run, play, and explore. So, parang private park siya. May space for picnic then or simpleng catch games and even weekend activities like face painting or outdoor movie nights. So, meron din silang outdoor pool. Hindi siya heated pero okay naman ang temperature for the kids, lalo na if morning swim. Sakto din kasi Tagaytay weather is malamig na, so sobrang sulit na ang pool time with the family. Bonus din kasi super lapit na to sa Sky Ranch and other Tagaytay attractions. For meals naman, they have a buffet breakfast na rin and in-house restaurants. Yes, medyo on the high-end side yung prices, pero very sulit naman ang experience. Plus, may kid-friendly food options din like pancakes, cereals, and fresh fruits. Pero yung buffet breakfast nila kasama na to sa hotel booking ninyo. Another pro tip, book your stay via Klook kasi may family promo sila or exclusive discounts minsan. For us, Taal Vista is the kind of place na chill for the parents and fun for the kids. Very close to nature, super relaxing, and perfect for bonding. Kaya moms, pops, if you're tired of searching sa kung saan-saan na kid-approved hotels, resorts, or gala, follow mo na kami for more family-approved getaways and sulit tips. Bye!